everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to reset your Gimkit account's password if you've forgotten it during logging in. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.gimkit.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Gimkit. To log into your account, you'll need to click the login button at the top right, enter your email address into the email address text box, or you can also continue logging in with Google. If you've signed up using the same option, click continue to end up in the password box. If you've forgotten your password during logging in and you don't know how and you don't know what to do next, you'll simply need to click on this forgot password link. Now, you'll receive an email with a password reset link sent to your inbox. Go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email inbox that is associated with Gimkit, and you'll be able to receive an email from Gimkit. Click it open and click on the reset password button in order to end up in the password reset page. Enter your new password in the password text box appearing at the very top, typing the password which will be easier for you to remember next time, and then confirm the new password by retyping it again. Finally, click the submit button and you'll be able to reset to a new password. While logging into your account, you'll need to enter the new password in order to get access to your account. So go ahead and enter your email, click continue, and in the password text box, enter the new password that you just reset to. Finally, click login to get back to your account after the password has been reset. That is how you can easily get access back to your Gimkit account even if you've forgotten your password during logging in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.